Welcome back. This time it's not rape but outraging the modesty of an 8-year-old schoolgirl. Surprisingly, this offence has been reported within 500 meters of the same school where the minor was raped. Murmugao police on Wednesday arrested the accused Lakshman alias Prabhudeva Hanagi. He has been remanded to 7-day police custody. Meanwhile, parents of the students of primary section from the infamous school from Murmugao have resolved to go on strike for 2 days, demanding fulfillment of their demands. It seems a law lacks deterrent to control criminals. He came near the school, close to the window of the classroom, lured the schoolgirl with money and chocolates and asked her to accompany him to his house. It's only after the little girl complained to her teacher that management and parents complained to the Murmugao police station. Murmugao police laid a trap and arrested Lakshman alias Prabhudeva Hanagi on Wednesday for outraging modesty of 8-year-old schoolgirl. He is aged 34 and is a native of Karnataka. Police have booked him under Section 509 of IPC and Section 8 of Goa Children's Act. Police are also investigating his links with any other related crimes. Surprisingly, this incident has taken place within a fortnight in Murmugao, just in radius of 500 meters from the school where the 7-year-old girl was raped in school premises.
Committee meeting they are not answerable to any question. तेका लागून आमी तांकां अल्टिमेट दिल्ले काल की जे तेंच्यांनी एक कमिटी अपॉइंट केली मंजू खांडेकर करून तेचो आमकां रिपोर्ट येयला म्हणून तेणी सांगला. तेका आमी विचारले तूं तो रिपोर्ट केन्ना सांगता. ही इज नॉट गिवींग द डेट. तो एक कांय डेट दिना. तेका आमी सांगले तूं आमकां एक डेट दी अल्टिमेट आमी तुका कॉपरेट करता. आमी ताका विचारले हे इन्स्टिट्यूटाचें नांव पिड्ड्यार जालें म्हणून तुमी 4 जाणांचेर एक केस फायल कित्याक करना. इन्स्टिट्यूटाचें नांव पिड्ड्यार जालें. इन्स्टिट्यूट मॅनेजमेंट वॉट दे आर डुईंग. तुवें जर 1 तारखेक सकाळी मिटींग घेवन जर आमकां जर बरें जर सोल्युशन दिलें तेच्या जर चौगांचेर जर केस फायल केली किंवा तेंचे जो हेचो रिपोर्ट आहा तो जर तुवें आमकां जर दिलो जाल्यार आमी 2 तारखेक स्कूल तुजें चालू करूंक आमी तुका कॉपरेट करता. दिलो जाल्यारच म्हणून ताका आमी सांगलें. तो जर आतां आमकां जर रिपोर्ट दीत ना जाल्यार आमकां फुडें डिसिजन घेवन तें स्कूल तशेंच बंद दवरचें पडटा आनी तेचेर प्रेशर हाडचो पडटलो.
Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent. Retrenchment of Goan workers from casinos attracted attention of the House. Porwari MLA Rohan Kaunte informed that Goan workers were sacked without any notice or reason and Nepali workers were heavily employed in their place. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to streamline all the casinos and check credentials of the workers. Police will screen all the workers before the next assembly session in March. Licenses of non-cooperating casinos will not be renewed.
Calling attention to Galla relates to Hotel Majestic, which is in my constituency, Porwari. 8 भुरग्यांक काडटा without any notice, 8य गोंयकार. भितर प्रॉपर्टीन येवचें न्ही म्हूण धमकी मेळटा. हियरिंग घेता, फेलियर मारता, परत धाडटा भुरग्यांक. हे जेन्ना मिटींग आसता, मॅजेस्टिकाचो मनीस थंय ऑर्डर्स वॉट नीड्स टू बी डन फॉर द मिटींग इन द लेबर कमिशनर्स ऑफिस. हे चालू आसतना प्रॉब्लेम नेपाली लोकांक घेतिल्ले आसा. लास्ट 1.5 म्हयन्यान जवळ जवळ 50 नेपाली हॉटेल मॅजेस्टिकान घेतिल्ले आसा.
म्हाका ताणें सगळे डॉक्युमेंट दिवचे सारके करून फायल. आय वील टेक एक्शन अगेन्स्ट द कॅसिनोज. म्हयन्या भितर नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली सेशनाक येतलो पळय तेव्हा तुका थंय सगळे सारके लिगल आहा ते प्रत्येकाचो फोटो सकट डिटेल दिता. वेन यू कम फॉर द नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च फॉर बजेट सेशन I will see that every person working in casino is properly screened by police and most of them are Goan. Otherwise, we will not renew the license of that casino.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to look into the alleged Awal Karkun examination scam. Parrikar made it clear that if allegations of rigging question papers are found to be true prima facie, then examinations will be conducted again. Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai had raised the question about the rigging of question papers for the written examination of Awal Karkun.
I complained to the Director of Vigilance about this match fixing or rigging of the posts.
Prashna ane vichalla whether the Vigilance Department has conducted any inquiry into the alleged rigging of the written examination conducted to screen candidates for the post of Awal Karkun at South Goa District Collectorate, as alleged in the reports appearing in the Times of India and Gomantak Times dated 5/12/2012. Vigilance Department कितें तरी evidence लागता. Paperan report is not an evidence. So if there is some concrete, even today, no, you give it to me, I will send it to vigilance. In fact, when the report came, I took preliminary, asked for the details on preliminary ground from the collector. I was satisfied at that moment. You can still bring it to my notice. If it is a primary indication also of truth, then we will conduct second exam because the process has not been completed.
Exam paper leak जाला म्हणून advocate जे lawyer जाल्ले ते फेल जाल्या आनी सादो मनीस पास जाला हो तांचे एलिगेशन आहा ते आतां कशें आमच्यान आर्ग्यू करूं येता म्हाका एक जाय की एग्जाम जाल्ली तुमी रिव्यू करतले तुमी प्रोसेस पडते करतले काय यू विल जस्ट डू अ आय वॉश.
If there is a prima facie case, I will cancel the exam and reconduct it. By Friday, I will give it. If he gives me, Friday report dita kamarta.
Bureau Report Prudent.
In a multiple raid at Margaon, Weights and Measures Department seized goods worth 3 lakh rupees on Wednesday. A computer shop, footwear shop and a spare part shop were raided. The goods without MRP price and manufacturing date were seized.
जॉइंट इन्स्पेक्शनान आमकां अशें दिसून येयलें की आरके एंटरप्रायजेस आख्या मडगांव जो कंप्युटर पार्ट्सान डिलींग करता तेचे कडेन पार्ट्स अशे आसले की विदाउट MRP आनी थोडी MRP तेणी स्मच केल्ली. आपलो स्टिकर लावन तो जास्ती पयशे कस्टमरा कडल्यान चार्ज करतालो. ते भवानी फुटवेअर जे शूज आनी धाकट्या भुरग्यांक शूज आसता पळय ते शूज डिलींग करताले जेचेर MRP ना, डेट ऑफ मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग ना. अर्चना सेल्स म्हणून एक स्कूटराचे स्पेअर पार्ट्स विकता तेचे वायोलेशन आसले अंडर पॅकेज कमोडिटी रूल्स आनी टोटल कॉस्ट विल बी अराउंड अबाउट 3 lakh rupees.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent. Union Cabinet has decided not to close Daboli Airport even if Mopa Airport is commissioned. Rajya Sabha MP Shripad Naik informed the media on Wednesday. MP claims that Congress and BJP both are in support of Mopa Airport. Naik claims that the commissioning of Mopa will not have much social impact.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik visited the Margaon municipality on Wednesday. MP had a discussion with councillors on the schemes enforced through MP-led fund. Media questioned Naik over his stand over the Mopa Airport.
The central government assured time and again that Daboli will not be closed. On the contrary, Daboli was given finances to make it as a modern airport with aero bridges and all sorts of amenities which are available today for a good airport. Government of India also changed the cabinet decision which was there on record of closing Daboli Airport. Therefore, there is absolutely no doubt about central stand on Daboli Airport. This is the stand of Congress party and this is the stand of BJP also. It will be injustice to the people of North Goa if people from South Goa say that you don't deserve an airport. Those conditions that another greenfield airport cannot come within so many miles, I don't remember, that condition has been removed. There is no such bar now.
Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.